what this is. Let's see. Yu-Gi Collector Box and Kaiba Collector Box? What are those?
5 minutes later.
Boom! Here they are. I got them in only 5 seconds.
Cut.
Like, cut.
Cut.
Cut. Come on, cut.
It's time to
So anyways, like I said, I got these. Kaiba Collector Box or the Yu-Gi Collector Box. This is going to be a very special unboxing. I've been waiting to do this for like a long time, and I'm really excited to open these. Well, let's start off with me explaining the Kaiba Collector Box. The Kaiba Collector Box comes with a rare Blue Eyes, a Kaiba deck, and some packs for Kaiba, and some packs for Yugi. Oh, and a giant Blue Eyes White Dragon card. The Yu-Gi Collector Box is basically the same, but with everything Yugi. It's got the Yugi structure deck, the rare Dark Magician, some Yugi packs and some Kaiba packs apparently, and the giant Dark Magician in the back. So anyways, I'll be unboxing them. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I need those scissors. I wonder which one I should unbox first. I've got a feeling about maybe the Kaiba Collector Box. Okay, so I'm gonna start opening it. Can you put this into a time lapse, Dad?
So you're going to see this in time lapse probably, so to speak. Opening it for the first time. I'm so excited.
Check this out. No. Check this out. Now to actually open it. This should be the fun part. I'm actually opening it. I'm overexcited about this. This is the Blue Eyes White Dragon. Limited edition, shiny rare. Level 8, normal monster. It's a dragon. Blue Eyes White Dragon, owned by Kaiba. The description reads, this legendary dragon is a powerful engine of destruction. Virtually invincible, very few have faced this awesome creature and lived to tell the tale. It has 3,000 attack and 2,500 defense. Now, here is the version of a giant card. It's ginormous. The same thing as this Blue Eyes, but big. Really big. You know, I have quite a lot of card sleeves, but I don't think any are going to fit this one. Now, put these to the side. Now here's the Kaiba structure deck. Kaiba on it. Now let's see. Ooh, there's some pretty good cards that come in the ship. Okay, so here are the cards that come on the set. There's Blue Eyes White Dragon, plus Blue Eyes White there's another Blue Eyes White Dragon, Aquamador, Legim, the Mystical Genie of the Lab, Battleops, Octilops, the Dragon Dwelling in the Cave, Luster Dragon, X-Head Cannon, Mandark of Darkness, Horse Raider, Alexandrite Dragon, Watt-Tail, Twin-Headed Behemoth, Yami Ship, Death Theorem, Kaiser Seahorse, Chaos Necromancer, Blade Knight, Horus the Black Flame Dragon level 4, Horus the Black Flame Dragon level 6, Cyber Puppet Plant, Death Mosquito, Tiger Dragon, Vanguard of the Dragon, Divine Dragon of Populism. Can you help me pronounce this? Interplanetary Purpley Thorny Dragon. Here are the spell cards. Dark Hole, Soul Exchange, Tribute to the Doom, Rush Recklessly, Mystical Space Typhoon, Offerings to the Doom, Stamping Destruction, Agony Controller, Burst Stream of Destruction, Shrink, Shield Crush, Silent Doom, Dragononic Hacking, and Shard of Greed. The trap cards are Trap Hole, Sakaru armor, shadow spell, widespread ruin, threatening lore, birthright, and damage gauge. Okay, so should I actually open it? I think so. So we're opening the Kaiba structure deck now. Opening the Kaiba structure deck now. Which I have no idea how to really open, but so in here's a thing. It's a deck thing. It's a deck sheet. It's a deck sheet, which is cool. Which is like purplish. That's cool. Here's the little strategy thing. There's like a little strategy thing. There's a lot of strategies for us. So there's some other stuff you can buy. Other stuff you can buy. Lots of other stuff actually. Oh, and here's the deck. Another rare Blue Eyes. I wonder if the set's ever gonna come with Blue Eyes Ultimate. So I can fuse the Blue Eyes together. I'll just be adding this guy to here.
She's in these buttons. A lot of normal monsters.
That's the Kaiba stuff. Now to open these booster packs, this should be fun. Okay, which one should I open first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger on its tongue. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, this one. Okay, let's see what I got. I got the Lord of Dragons, the Ring of Defense, the Hyunatsumi Giants, for a term from a different dimension. Ooh, and a rare Force Raider. That is for the first pack. Now. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger on its tongue, if it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This one. Let's see what cards I got here. I got the Sword Stalker, the Interdimensional Matter Transporter, the White Dragon Ritual. Wow, the Dragon Master Knight. Wow. And the Kaiser Seahorse. Dragon Master Knight is 5,000 attack, which is a lot, but it's super hard to summon. Clothing. Regime, the Mystical Genie of the Lamp, Magic Reflector, X-Head Cannon, oh, and Paladin White Dragon. Paladin White Dragon. And those are the free packs. Now, for the Yugi packs. The Yugi packs. Let me just do this one first. There is Brain Control, Karibo, the Fusion Wave Motion, the Sorcerer of Dark Magic, and the Dark Magician. Obviously. Dark Magician is basically an everything existing. The Blackluster Ritual, Brain Control, Big Shield Guard, and Blackluster Soldier. That goes there. Now, for the last Yugi pack. There's Green Gadget, Yellow Gadget, Jack's Knight, oh, and Marshmallow. It's a marshmallow. Okay, and that's all for the Kaiba pack. Check out my next video of the Yugi Collector Box, coming about the same time as the Kaiba Collector Box, because they're going to be posted around the same time. Okay, goodbye. Subscribe to my channel! You want giveaways? I've got them giveaways. Well, Beyblade giveaways. Want them? I'm gonna give it to you. Bye. Oh, ring the bell.